Welcome to another video. This is again practice 3A. We solved question number 1 and 2 in the previous videos. Now we will solve question number 3. Now question number 3, it says a boat is 4 meters wide and 6 meters long. When a truck pulls onto it, the boat sinks by 4 centimeters. Okay, it will sink 4 centimeters. Now this is centimeters, so notice this is the dimension of length. In water, so that means I know the density of the fluid because it's water. What is the weight of the truck? So what we need here is the weight, and we know that weight is Fg. So what is unknown? Fg is unknown. Let me write down the given here. Okay, so I have a boat. The dimensions of the boat are, this is question number 3 by the way, on page 56. All right, so the dimensions of the boat, it says it's 4 meters wide, so the width is 4 meters. And then it says it is 6 meters long, so it's, the length is 6 meters. And then it says it sinks 4 centimeters in the water. So if it sinks 4 centimeters, centimeter is the dimension of length, of course. And sinking means up or down, right? So it's in that direction. So that means this is the height. Now it's a bit confusing because it says sinks. It doesn't say the thickness. It says sinks. But again, no problem. Just look at the unit. The unit says centimeter. So if the unit is centimeter, then this is the dimension of length. All right, so 4 centimeters equal to 0.04 meters. So I'll just simply write down 0.04 meters. I change it, the unit, right away. Okay, so these are the dimensions that I have. If I multiply length by width by height, I'll get volume. Okay, I'll get volume if I multiply all of those dimensions together. And then what are the other informations that I have? Yeah, it says in water, so I also have the density of the fluid, which is 1000 kilogram cubic meter. This is the density of the fluid, which is water in this case. And then it says find Fg. Find Fg. What is the weight? What is the gravitational force, in other words? This is the unknown. All right, so let me find the volume first. Volume equals to length multiplied by width multiplied by height, which equals to, in this case, the length is 6 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 0.04. Okay, so what is the number that I get if I multiply all of those numbers together? Let me see. I've got the number here. Yeah, I guess the number is yeah, where's that number? Okay, so there it is. The number should be 4 multiplied by 6. This will be 26. Multiplied by 0.04. So I'll just change this into, I don't have a calculator with me at the moment, so this will be 4 multiplied by 10 to the power negative 2. 4 multiplied by 24. This will be so this will be 40. Yeah, this will be 80. Will it be 80? Like 4 by 2, this will be 80, and 4 by 4, this will be, yeah, it will be 96, I guess. 96 times 10 to the power negative 2. And then this will be 0.96. Yeah, this is the volume. So this is meter, cubic meter. This is the volume. Volume equals to 0.96 meter cubic. Don't mind how I did this calculation. I did it in a more complicated way. But you can just use a calculator. I didn't have a calculator with me at the moment, so no problem. You can do it using your mind as well, which is more efficient, more mental practice. So this is how you do it. You find the volume. Just multiply all of those numbers together, and this is the number that you get. And of course, the unit is in cubic meter because it's volume. Volume is 3-dimensional, so you have meter cubic meter. Okay, so I guess now we found the volume. Let's find the answer for the question. So here I'll find my answer. Fg equals to what? Well, if you go back to page, let me see what page is it. Fg equals to Yeah, on page 52, it equals to mfg. Fg simply equals to mg, and in this case I'll use mfg, all right, because I have the information for the fluid, right? I have the equation, the density for the fluid. Now, of course, I don't have mf, but I can find mf because I have the density of the fluid, and also I know the volume of the fluid. I just found the volume, so this will be V, right? And then I'll multiply all of them by G, which is a constant. This G is a number that we know in our head. It doesn't give us in the question, but we know what G is, gravitational constant, which is 9.81. So what is the density of the fluid? The density of the fluid is 1000 multiplied by the volume. Volume was 0.96, multiply it by G, which is 9.81. I'll just simply, I'll just write down 9.81. I could have said 10, but no problem. I'll write down 9.81. So this is my Fg. If you multiply all of those numbers together, what do you get? So let me see. If you multiply 1000 by that number, I guess you will almost get 1000. Let me see. I guess I have the number here with me. So if you multiply those numbers together, the answer that you will get is, it is that the number? Fg equals to, this is the number. It equals to 10,000, almost 10,000. So this will be, Fg will equal to 9.4, okay, multiplied by, 10 to the power 3. Okay, so Newton. This is Fg, so that's why the answer is in Newton. Just put it in the calculator, this number here, and this is the final answer that you get. 9.4 times 10 to the power 3. And of course, the final unit is in Newton. So I think this question was very simple. It was only 2 steps. Just know the equation for Fg is mfg. It equals to mg, of course, but this depends on the information that I have. Do you have the information for fluid or for the object? In this case, we have more information for the fluid because we have density of the fluid. So I'll change m to rho v. I have rho, which is the density of the fluid, and I have v because I found the volume. Then multiply all of those together, put it in the calculator. This is the number that you get, and the answer is in Newton because weight is a force, gravitational force, which the unit for it is Newton. So I guess that's it. This is how to solve question number 3. If you have any questions, let me know, and good luck.